यू नो व्हाट, यूजीसी नेट क्लियर करने वाले सिर्फ प्लान बनाते हैं, लेकिन यूजीसी नेट जेआरएफ क्लियर करने वाले उस प्लान पर एक्शन लेते हैं। जून 2026 अटेम्प्ट देना है यूजीसी नेट का, लेकिन बहुत सारे कन्फ्यूजन्स हैं कि रोड मैप कैसे बनाएं, पेपर 1 प्लस पेपर 2 का प्रिपरेशन कैसे करें, सही बैच कौन सा है उसको कैसे चूज करें, करेक्ट स्टडी मटेरियल कौन सा है वो कैसे सेलेक्ट करें। सो इन्हीं सारे डाउट्स एंड डिलेमास के लिए आई हैव ब्रॉट यू समथिंग वेरी सॉलिड। फ्रेंड्स, फिजिक्स वाला हैज रिसेंटली लॉन्च्ड इट्स 2 बैचेस, मिशन JRF Pro and Mission JRF 2.0 batches, which will give you commendable help and support. Friends, I want to tell you that in the December UGC NET attempt, Physics Wala has achieved very phenomenal next level results. There were multiple JRF selections and top ranks from there. There are so many experienced faculties who will be guiding you throughout, like Nishan Kapoor sir, there is Gulshan Akhtar madam, there is Puneet madam, and many other faculties that will help you throughout. Now I tell you something, the details about these batches. So Mission JRF Pro batch consists of hard copy books that will be delivered at your doorstep. There will be one-on-one mentorship session, there will be full test series plus PYQ sessions, there will be personalized strategy sessions, and you'll also get the Physics Wala Khazana access. Now talking about the Mission JRF 2.2, so that consists of, again, the complete continuous doubt support help sessions. There'll be live plus recorded classes. There'll be complete coverage of both paper 1 and paper 2. There'll be DPP and regular test sessions, right? So if you want to this time clear UGC NET JRF, I recommend you to enroll in these batches, and इनके जो links हैं I'll provide in the description box. And if you want the off, so आप मेरा coupon code VITA500 use करिएगा, you will get the extra 500 rupees off, right? And there is also a form of free material of UGC NET of Physics वाला, उसका link भी मैं description box में provide कर दूँगी. So I'll just say that now let's move ahead from the step of planning to cracking the JRF. All the best everyone.